Hi there, in this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can verify your Namecheap domain. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks different. So the first thing that you will have to do is, of course, make sure that you have the correct plan or version that supports this feature so you will have full access to everything you need. So once you log into your Namecheap account, what you will have to do is basically just go to your account section and then you will go to your domain list. So go ahead and click that. And now that you're here, you should make sure that you already have your domain. And then what you will have to do is once you see your domain here, you will basically just have to select the domain and then you will look for the email verification or verified domain alert. Then you will open the verification email sent to your domain's administrative email, and then you will click the verification link, and then you will complete the verification on Namecheap website, and your domain status will now be verified in the dashboard, which is right here. So yeah, that's basically just it, and I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.